Sail with us and experience the most unspoiled side of paradise. Tango catamarans are legendary for fun and excitement, and we're also the best way to relax and enjoy your visit to St. Lucia. Our day tours include the pitons, the volcano, unique estate tours, zip line excursions, waterfalls and snorkeling. We'll make this your most memorable and picturesque escape from the ordinary. And with the setting sun, we'll slow things down in true romantic style on board our 18th century replica, Liana's Ransom, with live steel bands and champagne while the sun sets. Come do it all. Contact Sea Spray Cruises at telephone 452-8644.